looks good, okay? Welcome back, beauties. D Beasley here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Everybody just come on in the room. Listen, today is day 1 of our 12 days of Christmas. I'm going to be uploading every day up until Christmas Eve. I hope y'all enjoy these videos. They'll range from makeup videos to vlogs. I think we're going to be trying out some holiday treats in one of the videos. So just sit back and relax. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on. Start our 12 days of Christmas off. I want to go ahead and do a Christmas or a holiday look for you all, just to, you know, get us in the spirit, okay? Just to get us in the spirit a little bit. I hope y'all like this look that I came up with. I really like it, and baby, it is the waterline for me. That nude in the waterline, that pop, woo, it does it. And I decided to do a glossy lip instead of like matte, you know, just to, you know what I'm saying, spice it up a little bit, you know what I mean? But I wanted to come on here and do this look with y'all and start these 12 days off right, okay? Are y'all ready for Christmas? Y'all done Christmas shopping? What's up? Okay? Because I'm not. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, beauty, so let's go ahead and get started. I want to do a holiday look with you all. I have 3 Pat McGrath palettes here that I want to play in. These are from her holiday collections, like 3 years. The last 3 years, not this year, but the last 3 years. So here's one of them. This is the Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. This is the Artistry palette. That's what that looks like. Really cute. This one is the Mothership Mega Celestial. I don't know why I say Celestial. Celestial Odyssey. And that's what that's looking like. For brows, we're going to take the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 4.5. And I'm going to use that to zoom my brows. There is another brow pencil I want to try, which I should have grabbed it during the Sephora sale by Refi. I heard it gives like hair-like strokes, so I want to try that out. This palette screams holiday. It's this shade right here. It says it's called Electric. I don't know if that's right. I'm gonna take this deeper brown here. These names are not going with. I know a lot of people don't do eyeshadow, but I like doing eyeshadow. Everybody's been trying to stray away from, they just want to do like the simplest of the simplest looks, which is cool, but I feel like for the holidays, you can step it up a notch for sure. You know what I'm saying? Like, why not? I have these bases from Pete Louise that we're going to put on our lid first. So this shade is 2.5. This is 2.5. It just gives my lid color something to adhere to. I just use it on this Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to just put it right there. I like to look up so I can see where it's going to touch. Okay. Let me go over here. I'm just putting it right in the center. Looking up. I like to go back with that first brush and just blend that out a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with this 242S brush by MAC, and I'm trying to think what color I want to put on my lid. We're going to take this shade right here on the end. And we're going to put it in the inner corner. We're going to start putting it there. I'm going in with this next shade, which is right here. And then I'm going to take this matte shade here. I'm going to put that towards, like, I'm going to put that right after that one. Like right there. You want to go back and forth so you can make sure there's no line of demarcation. That first brush again, and we're going to just blend out any harsh lines. I feel like I need to bring those colors up. These are like cranberry eyes. And I'm going to take that darker brown again and just put it on the outer of my eye. We don't want to lose the definition that we had by adding those colors. And we're going to do liquid liner today, baby. She did, y'all. R.I.P. Okay, we're going to take the Balm Swing Liner. Because this is a holiday look, I am going to add a little sparkle. This is one of my pigments from J. LaRue. This is the white gold pigment. I'm just going to take a little bit of it and pop it right in the center of my eye. Because like I said, it is a holiday look. And I didn't want to like do too much. But I want to give it that extra. I want to add a little extra to it, and I feel like every time I want to do a little bit but not too much, the pigments from, like a pigment from like either J. LaRue or Believe Beauty, I just pop it like right there in the center. Not even just in the center. It's like a little glaze. It just jazzes up the eye look. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's giving a little something, something. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the face. This is what, I'm going to show y'all what I use as my moisturizer. This is the Fresh Deep Hydration Rose Cream or whatever. Like, y'all. That's it right there. So this is the Refine Glow and Sculpt Primer. Okay, let's let that sit in for a little bit before we move on. So I got a new foundation brush too from Sephora. This is the number 64. It's kind of like a stippling brush almost. This is like my ultimate combo. I don't know what it is, but both of these are amazing together. So I have Makeup by Mario in the shade number 230. This is his Surreal Skin foundation. I heard his concealer is fire too, so I'm gonna grab one of those. Then I have I Am Magic in Gabon. I think it's Gabon. Anyway, so I have both of those. I'm going to just take a pump from each one. Both of these are very thick, very full coverage. And I just took a pump from each one of them for right now. One thing about it, take these earrings off. Both of these are full coverage. Oh, and then that was too much. I like this brush. The contour, let's try this Tarte Sculpt Tape Contour. That's what it is, Sculpt Tape Contour. I got the shade Deep Bronze. So I've never tried it before. But it's like a sponge applicator. Oh, okay, see. So that's just like, I can't describe it, but it's a cream product. So I could use, I feel like this is a good, I want to say I could use the deeper one. But I feel like this is a good shade. Let's just see how it blends out. Because if it blends out to nothing, like that's not helping me. It's warming me up, but I feel like I can do the deeper shade. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I can handle the deep shade. So let's try this Juvia's Place one. So I got Juvia's Bronzed Cream Bronze. It's in ebony. Let's check that. That's what it looks like. Cute. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. It's always the concealer for me, okay? Let's take this Patrick Ta blush, and oh, she's different. And there's a cream. We're going to put the cream on before we blend out this concealer. It's really nice. Really nice. Let's go ahead and just blend this out. Oh, I got a concealer brush. I don't know what it's going to do, but I think it's more flatter than anything. So this is the number 71. It's the number 71 brush from Sephora. Okay. I feel like this is so tedious when you use a brush under your eye. Oh my god. It's going to kill me. It's good for like right here. How do y'all do that? Hold on. I don't know. I'm gonna put some of this Pat McGrath up under my eye. See, that's creamier. That other one, we gotta throw that out. They don't want to blend. And it's probably just old. Foundation brush. I always take my foundation brush and try to like just stipple away the harsh lines. Then we're gonna go back on top of that with some of that blush. Then I'm gonna go back on top of that with that blush. I like that, y'all. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder Puff to set my under eye. I'm gonna use a brush to start it out. I'm gonna use this a small brush. This is the One Size Ultra Pink powder also that we're using. Girl, we need some more of these Morphe M554. Okay, Morphe. Take a little bit more. And I'm gonna pat some off my hand because I don't want it to do too much. You know what? I got that I have that that one from Beauty Blender. But I used the brush first because I didn't want the concealer to be soaked up by this. To set my face, I have this Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour powder. Y'all, I heard this is full coverage. So we're not going to pack on a whole lot because we already got a lot going on. But I'm going to just take my fluffy powder brush. Oh, Lord. Yeah, it's full coverage. Oh, this powder is full coverage. It's super matte, like, too. Oh, wow. Very pigmented. I can tell the way it's, like, coming up as I did my brush in it. Let's take Mented Yacht Life. And we're going to use that to set. Mented Yacht Life is, like, low-key, like, slept on. By me. I don't know about nobody else. I'm gonna get my sponge and just make sure this is blended. The face is giving. Giving exactly what? I don't know, but it's giving. Y'all gotta try this out. Try this look. It don't even have to be. You see how my eyes, do you see that? The contouring of the nose just like snatched everything in place. So we're gonna take the Oshi's Different powder to set the cream. See? If you use cream, sometimes you don't have to set it, but I always set. And his stuff comes with two, a cream and a powder, so you can do what you want to do. You can use the cream blush for a lippy or anything. Whatever you want to use it for, you can use it for that. Yeah, let's use this matte shade right here to put up under our eyes. Ooh, I love this shade. Do y'all see that? Oh, I think we need to do a nude liner. We do. This is Sephora. It just says Colorful Secret Boudoir. So it's like a nude crayon type of thing. So we're going to try to use that. I think they changed the packaging on these things too. Look how they open my eyes up. It looks beautiful. Beautiful. We're gonna take that brush again. Just swipe back and forth. We're gonna take the Giga Black. We're gonna take Trusty Dusty Old Faithful, cause it's just small enough to grab those lashes. Okay, for lip liner, I'm gonna take this Makeup by Mario Jeff liner. So I got this lip kit from MAC that has these two glosses in. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. We're just gonna do a pinky gloss. Oh, I think I'm gonna put this one on top of it. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, I like that. Okay, and then we're gonna spray with our Charlotte. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How do we like it? I think it's really cute, y'all. This is like just perfect for a holiday look. I love the glossy lip. Yes, ma'am. Chef's kiss. It doesn't have to be anything extracurricular, out of the norm. You do your holiday how you want to do your holiday. And I love how I thought to put that nude up under the eye, under the waterline, baby. It just makes, do y'all see how wide it's making my eyes? My eyes already big. But do y'all see that? It's just beautiful. I love this. So out of all the new stuff that I got, the only thing that I'm just like, I gotta figure it out is the Sephora concealer brush. I think it was that concealer too. That Laura Mercier, I don't know why I even pulled that out the stash. Like, it gotta go in the trash. But it doesn't come off as, maybe it just dries quick. Because it's not dry in here. I don't know. But yeah. I'm glad I did a glossy lip versus like a matte lip. And those, baby, it looks good. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I wanted to go ahead and start the 12 days of Christmas off with a bang, baby. We had to, you know what I'm saying, we had to get it right, get it tight. Okay, go ahead and leave some comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, beauties.